नमस्कार, मैं प्रोफेसर रश्मि जेता और आप देख रहे हैं बुंदेलखंड एक्सप्रेस। बुंदेलखंड एक्सप्रेस के बारे में मैं आपसे कुछ बातें करना चाहूंगा। ये एक वो चैनल है जिस चैनल पे केवल मात्र आप न्यूज नहीं देखते, बल्कि ऐसे कई सारे ऐसे कार्यक्रम देखते हैं जो आज के समाज और युवा पीढ़ी के लिए एक मार्गदर्शन का काम करता है। हम कोशिश करते हैं कि बच्चों से लेकर बड़ों तक, विशेषज्ञों तक ये चीज पहुंचे और वो यहां शामिल हों, ताकि कई ऐसे मुद्दे और कई ऐसे विषयों पर आपके साथ बातचीत की जा सके। कार्यक्रम का बहुत बड़ा रेंज है और इस कार्यक्रम के रेंज में हम शामिल करने जा रहे हैं कई ऐसे महत्वपूर्ण शैक्षणिक कार्यक्रम भी जो आपके लिए उपयोगी होंगे और भविष्य के लिए दिशा निर्देश का काम करेंगे। सो इस चैनल पे बने रहें, इस चैनल को देखते रहें। हर एक कार्यक्रम बिना किसी वैमनस्यता के एक सकारात्मक रूप में प्रयास है जो हम अपने दर्शकों तक कार्यक्रम पहुंचा सके। आज इसी तारतम्य में हमने अपने बच्चों के साथ यहाँ पर निर्णय लिया अभी 5 मिनट पहले कि वह कौन सा विषय है जिस पे हमें आपसे बातचीत करना चाहिए। और ये विषय है जो हमने चयन किया वो है विज्ञापन। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि ये युग मूलतः विज्ञापन का युग है। अपने वस्तुओं को हम किस प्रकार से परोसते हैं। नाउ जहां तक वस्तुओं को परोसने का सवाल है, उस वस्तु की कीमत की भी का महत्व है, उस वस्तु की क्वालिटी यानी गुणवत्ता का भी महत्व है, और वो वस्तु कितनी आसानी से आपके घर तक पहुंच सकती है, ये भी महत्वपूर्ण है। इन तीनों चीजों को देखते हुए हम विज्ञापन को एक महत्वपूर्ण हिस्से के रूप में समझते हैं और ये मानते हैं कि इसी विज्ञापन के द्वारा हम अपने वस्तुओं का, अपने इस्तेमाल की जाने वाली वस्तुओं का उन क्षेत्रों तक पहुंचा सकते हैं, इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं जहां पर बड़े बड़े बाजार उपलब्ध नहीं हैं। ये वस्तुएं दिनचर्या से संबंधित हैं, आवश्यक वस्तुएं हैं, दवाइयां हैं, इत्यादि इत्यादि। और इस विषय पर चर्चा करने के लिए हमें लगता है कि वह व्यक्ति सबसे महत्वपूर्ण होगा जो मीडिया से जुड़ा हुआ है। और इस तारतम्य में मनीष सोनी हमारे पास आज उपस्थित हैं एक्सपर्ट के रूप में। नाउ एक्सपर्ट के रूप में सबसे पहले मनीष सोनी से वी वुड लाइक टू नो हाउ डज ही फील अबाउट एडवर्टीजमेंट और वेदर एडवर्टीजमेंट इज एन इंटीग्रल पार्ट ऑफ आवर सोसाइटी। सो मनीष, ओवर टू यू।
Sir, I think as far as the advertisement is concerned, I think there's too many aspects of advertisement is there. The first aspect is there for running any channels or running any other kind of institution. They need revenue, and I think only ad can generate revenue for this kind of institutions. So I think it's a very important part for those institutions who are running in this way. So they need revenue, and revenue can fulfill by the advertisement. And as we consider as an audience, so I think that by the advertisement we can provide the knowledge about product towards our audience, and then audience can understand that which products could be good for them and which products could not be good for them. So I think that advertisement is the trend of this world for selling any product, for buying any product, and for generate revenue for all media house. So I think, sir, it is a very important part of our job. It is a very important part of this what we can say all paraphernalia.
Okay, but then there's just I'll interfere because you said that revenue is one important part of advertisement. But when a media house shows a particular advertisement because of revenue, does the media house own the responsibility of the product of the advertisement, or it just टेक्स केयर ऑफ द रेवेन्यू? जब कोई मीडिया हाउस किसी एडवर्टीजमेंट को दिखाता है तो क्या ये सोचकर उसकी जिम्मेवारी लेता है कि ये मीडिया हाउस हम जब किसी वस्तु को दिखा रहे हैं तो वस्तु की गुणवत्ता भी अच्छी है तो दिखाया जा रहा है?
Actually, sir, I think that is not responsibility of media house, because media is get revenue for that and showing that. But social responsibility is also there. Ethics is also there. That we cannot show this kind of advertisement which can put bad impact on our society. Somewhere or other, this kind of censorship is there. Otherwise, as far as the quality of product is concerned, as far as the other kind of thing is concerned, which is given by the our customer, we are showing that kind of thing. But as far as the honesty is concerned, that's depend on their owner. But I think that audience should, and a common person should also understand that what is right for them and what is wrong for them. And I think we know that while after using of any product, we can understand that it's useful for us or not. So I think that's a very important thing that why which I think it's a kind of first impression.
Okay.
That we try to show that if some particular product is there in market, and we can understand that it could be the good for the audience. But I think audience should be also very intelligent, that they should understand that which product is good for them and which product is not good for them.
Right. So it basically the role of a media house to transfer the product in terms of knowledge to the consumers. Now, once the product reaches the consumer uses it and realizes the quality. Now, where do you find the mistake, or do you think advertisement is good these days?
Sir, I am definitely agree that if you will not do the advertisement of anything, you will not able to find that thing that what is going on in the world.
True.
So when you will do advertisement, you will get the thing that what it is and where it is. So sir, when the advertisement is there, they show you the product, they have show the product quality, they show everything. But when you reach in the shop and you search that thing, and if you get that quality is best, then you become a regular customer of that shop. But if you find that this thing is wrong, then you cut off from there.
इसका मतलब ये है कि आप ये कहना चाह रहे हो कि विज्ञापन के माध्यम से कंज्यूमर तक कोई प्रोडक्ट तो पहुंच जाता है, लेकिन प्रोडक्ट के इस्तेमाल के बाद कंज्यूमर ये डिसाइड करता है कि इसकी गुणवत्ता कितनी अच्छी है, उसे बार बार इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए या नहीं. So ultimately the quality of the product here is important. The advertisement is responsible to reach a product to the consumer, but once consumer uses it, then it realizes whether it has to use the product time and again or not. Bubbly, taking over to you, how do you think advertisement is important?
Yes, sir. Sir, according to me, it is very good when there have some basic point like about product quality, then about how easily we get it. And sir, sometimes what happened, we not easily get these all things in shops. So that time advertisement help us for getting that things easily. So I feel it is very important nowadays, because nowadays things are not as much quality based. Even then they are sell outing very easily just because of TVism, sir. When we start about that things, we start marketing, so that things easily sell out.
Okay, मनीष, जैसा कि अभी बबली ने कहा कि जब तक एडवर्टीजमेंट ना देखेंगे तब तक प्रोडक्ट के बारे में कैसे पता चलेगा. वेरी ट्रू. तो आपको ये लगता है कि एडवर्टीजमेंट के माध्यम से प्रोडक्ट की जानकारी तो मिल जाती है, लेकिन प्रोडक्ट के क्वालिटी की जानकारी नहीं मिलती है, और कभी-कभी ये कंफ्यूज कर देता है कंज्यूमर को. इससे कैसे हम बाहर आ सकते हैं?
Actually, sir, what happened that what is the use of marketing? What is the use of advertisement? Advertisement make any product as a brand.
Right.
And brand means if something always remain in our mind, that's brand. Suppose there's a toothpaste, and if we go to shop and some name of toothpaste came in our mind, that's brand. How it's developed as a brand? It's developed as a brand because we have seen this kind of product on television, on social media site, on newspaper time and again. So it's become brand. But as far as the quality is concerned, so I think we can't say that if some product is a brand, so it's have a quality.
That
and
means
same the reverse, reverse process is also there. If some product have good content, and we don't know it, that this is a brand, this is a product. So I think somewhere or the other, the balance of both things means quality plus branding. If both things is there, so product can get good sale and product.
Which basically means that branding and quality of a product are two different things.
Definitely, sir.
If a branding is very good, does not mean the quality will be good. Does not mean always. And if the quality is good, does not mean that the branding would be good. And sometimes it happens that a product has quality and branding both.
Same things are happen with films nowadays.
Right.
Now there's a new film always is there, and I think there's a huge advertisement of film is there. They show that it is very good film and it's running for that. And I think on the name of advertisement they can run their film for 1 week, maybe 2 weeks. But after that, film will run with the name of their
True. किसी बहुत बड़े स्टार ने कहा ये बात कि जब कोई फिल्म की ओपनिंग लगती है फ्राइडे को, तो बड़ी ब्रांडिंग, बड़े नाम, बड़े प्रमोशन, बड़े एडवर्टीजमेंट उस फिल्म को चलाते हैं फ्राइडे, सैटरडे, संडे। लेकिन मंडे के बाद से जब वो फिल्म चलती है तो उसकी क्वालिटी चलाती है। यानी अल्टीमेटली ब्रांडिंग से प्रोडक्ट हमारे पास आ सकता है, परंतु क्वालिटी उसके परमानेंसी को डिसाइड करता है। हरी, we'll take your opinion first and then we'll switch over to other two.
Sir, advertisement is a good thing for a consumer, and sir, when we get any advertisement of any product, sir, we can know about that product and how is good and how is not good, and we can also search before purchasing that product. And sir, in the what's going on in the world. And sir, most of the people don't know about that product, but sir, sir, by advertisement we can know that product quality and price before knowing, and sir, if we have to purchase or not. But sir, before when we did not used to get advertisements, so we have to go for shop and we have to check the quality. But now before going anywhere we can check the quality
Right, first and then we take the product. So this is also very very important. The branding is there, but quality check by ourselves is important.
Yes, sir.
कि हम अपने द्वारा quality check कैसे करते हैं? अथर्व, your turn.
Sir, in my opinion, business in advertisement is totally depend on how businessmen market it and branding it.
Right.
Like they market by some good properties,
Right.
but sometimes they are totally false.
Okay.
Like they say this brand is like this perfume is a full fragrance.
Original, but it will last only for 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Like
True.
sir, sometimes they give you a cream.
Right.
And in this cream, they will say this is not sticky. This will give your skin a softness and shininess.
But it will
sometimes
not. It
yes,
will go.
sir, it will go.
Okay, so another point, important point raised by, see, ये इस डिस्कशन टेबल का बहुत महत्वपूर्ण पहलू ये है जो इस चैनल के माध्यम से हमको उपलब्ध होता है, बच्चों को उपलब्ध होता है कि वो बोलना और बात करना और अपनी बात रखना सीखते हैं। बात में धीरे धीरे वजनदारी भी इनकी आती है। जो बात अभी कही गई अथर्व के द्वारा, ये महत्वपूर्ण बात थी, जैसे अन्य लोगों ने भी इस बात को कहा कि कभी कभी वस्तुओं की ब्रांडिंग इतनी होती है कि जब उसे इस्तेमाल करते हैं तो पता चलता है कि ये वस्तु जो है फेक है, और इसके बाद इसकी ब्रांडिंग बेकार है क्योंकि ये लास्ट नहीं करता 5 मिनट 10 मिनट तक। दिस इज अ ट्रू एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ ए कंज्यूमर व्हेन यू यूज समथिंग एंड यू फाइंड दैट द प्रोडक्ट इज नॉट वर्थ बाइंग। मनीष, डू यू थिंक दिस इज वेरी राइट व्हाट अथर्व हैज सेड?
बिल्कुल सर, इसलिए कहा था पहले इस्तेमाल करो फिर विश्वास।
वेरी गुड, पहले इस्तेमाल करो फिर विश्वास।
And I think same thing happened that whatever branding we are showing on television, I think it's just a kind of introduction.
Yeah.
But after using that product, we can understand that it will be useful for us for a long time or not. So I think that could be the real thing. But I think somewhere or the other, that's a mindset of the common consumer that if something is doing their advertisement, some product is doing their advertisement on television on big channels, so it could be the good. But sir, I think it's a kind of a mirage. It's not a truth. But
So what we see on television is sometimes a mirage. It's an illusion. It is not truth. The truth has to be tasted first, and then we can decide whether the product is to be used or not. Raj, we have another boy in my class. So Raj, how do you feel about this?
Sir, I think advertisement is the thing to promote his brand
Right.
and his product.
Right.
But some ad and product is not good.
Right.
Like
Right.
his promote a big hero and heroine to
Right.
promote his product,
Right.
but it's not good product.
Right.
And he's used the fan base of hero.
Right, right.
But
this is again a very very important point which Raj has mentioned कि कुछ ऐसी खराब वस्तुएं हैं जिसे एडवर्टाइज नहीं किया जाना चाहिए, लेकिन बड़े ब्रांड के द्वारा उसे एडवर्टाइज किया जाता है। The product itself is not good for यंग जनरेशन, युवा पीढ़ी के लिए वो प्रोडक्ट अच्छा नहीं है, लेकिन वो प्रोडक्ट चूंकि बिकना है और मार्केट में बिकता है तो किसी ना किसी नाम से। यस अतर्व।
Sir, my question is that government is not doing anything like for this type of all advertisement. Like they are saying this product is good by like big actors, by their actors and actresses. So government is not doing anything for that.
सी गवर्नमेंट इज डूइंग, आई विल टेल यू, कुछ ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जिस पे गवर्नमेंट ने बैन किया हुआ है एंड इट्स ए टोटल बैन। नाउ इसके एडवर्टीजमेंट्स के माध्यम से ये बात अलग है, लेकिन गवर्नमेंट इसे बैन की हुई है, परंतु इसे हिडन रूप में गलत तरीके से बेचा जा रहा है। Manish, you would be able to speak more.
Yes, sir. Too many product is there which is totally banned by government, but it is worth selling because of some other thing, because of some other reason. But no one can, no one can promote this kind of product like liquor. Doesn't know any advertisement of liquor on television and anywhere else. Even sir, some product which is mentioned by the Raj, like some gutka, some masala,
Gutka, sir, yes, it's all banned.
This kind
It's
of
all banned.
product, all tobacco products. This kind of product is banned. Despite it's by the mouth publicity, by the another way round, by the name of another product, like there's an ad of soda. Same brand soda is there and same brand liquor is there. So I think that somewhere or other this kind of advertisement is also
Yes,
good.
you want
Sir,
to say?
I think government know this type of product is the most revenue and tax to control
yes.
give to India.
See, this is also good. कुछ ऐसे प्रोडक्ट है जिसपे सरकार ने प्रतिबंध नहीं लगाया लेकिन उस पर टैक्स बढ़ा दिया,
Yes.
तो नेचुरली वो लोग उसका सेवन करेंगे जो बहुत आदी हैं, कॉमन मैन। जैसे मैं एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल देना चाहूँ और बहुत अच्छा एग्जांपल है, पिछले 10 वर्षों में यदि हमने स्टैटिस्टिक्स सांख्यिकी देखा तो लोगों ने सिगरेट पीने की आदत खत्म कर दी। अब पब्लिक स्ट्रीट्स पे सिगरेट्स वैसे नहीं पिए जाते हैं जैसे 15 साल पहले पिए जाते थे। ये एक अच्छा कदम उठाया गया सरकार के द्वारा भी, जबकि उसकी कीमतों पर टैक्स बढ़ा दिया गया। मनीष, would you like to say something?
Definitely, sir. It's a new vogue which we are mentioning that now we are very rare to see that anybody smoke on the street and anywhere else. It's a very good thing, and somewhere or other the strategy we can implement slowly because any revolutionary changes can make some problem, but gradually changes can develop something and they can inculcate some good thing also. Same thing happened with liquor also.
Right.
Nowadays maybe there's some restriction on liquor, like they stop the place where people can sit and
या हाथों पे प्रतिबंध लगाया गया। Okay, you want to say something?
Sir,
Khushi, you want to
I have
say?
included that the government is not doing anything from this type of product. I want to say, sir, government had put tax, as Raj told,
Right.
that to control this type of bad things.
Right.
So it is a responsibility of pupils only that they advertisement do scam with us, like they show the advertisement of pizza,
Right.
like they are pulling the pizza and there are many cheese, so sir they put gum in that. So sir they do scam with us. Sir, this is happening because we are going back, we are going ahead from toward our culture. We are like they give us ad to our hairs. But sir, when you will apply the old things that what our nannies, daddies told, what our
True.
culture told,
True.
then there is no need for this type of worst
True.
advertisement.
एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण बात यहाँ खुशी ने कहा कि जो इन एडवर्टीजमेंट्स के द्वारा जो प्रोडक्ट बताए जाते हैं जिनका हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं अपने टेस्ट के लिए, फैशन के नाम पे, मनीषा ने कहा वो फैशन के नाम पे, इससे बेहतर है कि हम अपने नानी दादी के नुस्खों को ध्यान दें। उनमें वो सारी दवाइयाँ और सारी चीज़ें मौजूद हैं हिंदुस्तान में, और शायद हिंदुस्तान वह देश है जहाँ से प्रोडक्ट और जहाँ से तमाम ज्ञान पूरे विश्व भर में गया। तो यदि उन चीज़ों पे हम वापस जाना चाहें, इफ़ यू वांट टू गो बैक टू पास्ट और अपने पास्ट में जाकर उन प्रोडक्ट को निकालें, जैसे हमारे घर के अंदर मसाले, हर एक मसाले में खासियत है और इतनी खासियत है एक नहीं, हम हमारे घर में रखी हुई सब्जियां, so we have developed only those eating products which have huge quality and that we can feel that none of the nations of the world have those qualities. तो इस तरह से हम इन चीज़ों का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। एक और प्रश्न है जो मैं यहाँ जो डिस्कस करना चाहूँगा बच्चों के साथ। यस, कुछ बोलना चाहते
Yes, sir.
हैं? यस यस।
So sir, but one more question is that in COVID time, so many companies said this product will protect you from COVID and this type of things. So government didn't ban this type of things.
See, when a company advertises a product, it is not always the duty of the government to ban. It is the duty of a citizen to refuse. यदि कोई ऐसा प्रोडक्ट बाजार में है जिसका कोई फायदा नहीं है, तो ये आपको निर्धारित करना है कि आपको उसका सेवन नहीं करना है। आप अपने हर कार्य को गवर्नमेंट को नहीं थोप सकते हैं। तो आपको ये डिसाइड करना है, और यही प्रश्न से लेकर मैं आगे बढ़ना चाहता हूं और आपका कमेंट्स चाहता हूं कि क्या एडवर्टीजमेंट का इस्तेमाल प्रोडक्ट की क्वालिटी के लिए हम करते हैं या प्रोडक्ट की जानकारी के लिए करते हैं। देखिए दोनों दो चीजें हैं, एक तो प्रोडक्ट के बारे में पता चले ये है एडवर्टीजमेंट, या प्रोडक्ट की क्वालिटी के बारे में पता चले ये है एडवर्टीजमेंट। हरी, you would like to say something?
Sir, by advertisement, sir, we are knowing about product quality and product. What is product is
Quality.
Quality and product both are we are knowing.
Okay, I'll stop you short and I'll take the reaction from, because she differs.
Sir, I am totally disagree with Hari.
Hmm.
Because how you can understand the quality of product?
By watching,
Like
by
I am
seeing.
giving you the example of, see, listen first. When you will see, when you will do online shopping and when you will do window shopping, then by the feeling of cloth you know the quality of that cloth, that which type of cloth it is. By seeing the picture of that thing you can't identify that which type of product it is.
Because they are also going on lots of brand, and we can
Brand-
if we are purchasing
brand
any brand,
will claim you.
we always
I
get
am
good
giving
quality, and
example.
I have also purchased lots of things where I have got good quality. And if we
Hari, you have purchased a fridge.
yes sir,
Whom did you ask about the quality of the fridge? Whom did you ask?
because sir
Whom did you? किससे आपने कंसल्ट
I-
किया किसी फ्रिज को खरीदने के
sir
लिए?
I did not ask to anyone because before also I have purchased fridge, so I know about the quality of fridge.
राइट, बट एडवर्टीजमेंट में टीवी स्क्रीन पे बहुत सारे फ्रिज के एडवर्टीजमेंट्स आते हैं, उनमें से हम कैसे चूज करें कि हमें यही लेना है?
Sir, we can know about that product and
By
how-
using or by seeing?
by seeing.
How you can identify? Tell me one thing. If fridge will get some defect, it will come. So you will go to the online and you will do it. You will do check that
They
if
also-
we have a lot
they-
of problem in this fridge.
They also
which is
give
return.
15 days. If they have any problems, you
In
can
15 days,
return.
in 15 days you can't identify that what all problems are there.
But
Because
normally
it
क्या
is
one
a
day-
electric thing. In
We
15
can
days you will not able to
identify in bundles, and just I have also purchased 2 things, and one thing purchased year.
That is a small thing. That is a small thing. If I talk
But-
about
but
the
we-
differences, if I talk
अच्छा
about
एक yes हाँ
Sorry.
हाँ
Sir, I am totally disagree with Khushi as Hari told brand about brand. Sir, brand become brand when that things depend. मतलब after getting too much of time and quality, our brand become brand. So, sir, our brand may never try to make a.
But there are suppose 3 brands. Hold on. There are suppose 3 brands coming on television.
Yes, sir.
There is not one brand. X, Y, Z. There are 3 brands. So how would you know about them? All these are the brands.
Sir, definitely I will try to purchase that things which is brand is remain for long time. I will try to purchase that things from that.
ओके इसका मतलब ये है कि जिस ब्रांड का जन्म आज से 20 साल पहले हुआ था उसको हम पहले प्रेफर करेंगे, और 10 साल बाद हुआ था तो उसको बाद में प्रेफर करेंगे।
But sir,
I'm
we
not
can
sure like
identify
that, sir.
to using the quality. If we have purchased
You
one
are
brand
telling me
and
using the
brand,
what sir told you in front of you there is 3 qualities X, Y, Z. While seeing, while using, you get the, you know na that which all qualities their 3 product have. By seeing,
अच्छा
by
एक
knowing
मिनट,
about that.
मैं
you
आपसे
see
एक प्रश्न करना चाहता हूँ, एक छोटा सा इस बात को हटाते हुए प्रश्न करना था। मुझे एक बहुत अच्छी मोबाइल खरीदनी है, मुझे एक बहुत बढ़िया मोबाइल खरीदना है जिसमें उसमें बहुत परेशानियां नहीं हो। हरी मुझे सलाह दो कौन सी मोबाइल लूं मैं? You give me suggestion which mobile should I take?
sir, I
It's a
don't
good
have,
mobile.
sir, I don't have more knowledge about mobile.
So आपके पास किस चीज का अच्छा नॉलेज है?
Sir, which things we have purchased, sir, I have knowledge about that thing. Sir, we can purchase. There also have sir lots of advertisement and good qualities for of fonts.
But normally, Manish, we have seen, it is my personal experience, that all the products which are shown on television or different channels, there are so many products which are shown because of, like from any soap to several soaps, big brands advertising soaps. Those people who never use those soaps, they advertise those soaps. Now we do not know the quality of the soap. Once we use it, we realize that this is good. Then we apply this to other people. Then take this product is very good. This is what we do in India.
Actually, sir, we have to go for that. The beginning of the our discussion. Why advertisement? Why companies are investing too much money for advertisement? Because advertisement put their impact on consumers. After watching advertisement, people attract towards product. Like you have mentioned here that which mobile we will buy. So I think most of the time, I think 99% people buy mobile while watching advertisement on television. They watched advertisement and then they can understand that this big channel is showing that this is the good mobile. So we can understand that it has quality. But quality is there in this mobile. We can understand it after 5 years, after 10 years when we are using this mobile. So I think that's that first impression.
Let's be very, very clear about it. Normally what happens, if you take the survey, normally what happens that by advertisement you see the product. You come to know about a refrigerator, about a fan, about something, about any product. Once you use the product, then you basically give information to others. इसलिए हमने तो ये देखा कि कई बार जब मुझे कोई सामान या हमें कोई सामान खरीदना होता है तो उस सामान के स्पेशलिस्ट को एक बार फोन जरूर लगाया जाता है। मैं आपको बताऊं कि जब भी कैमरा, मोबाइल से संबंधित कोई भी चीज़ होती है तो जब हमारे साथ हमारे इस प्रोग्राम के डायरेक्टर नरेंद्र भाई होते हैं तो उनके पास फ़ोन आता है कि कौन सा मोबाइल ले, किस मोबाइल में क्या खासियत है। तो नेचुरली जो उसके स्पेशलिस्ट होते हैं, जो उनको यूज़ किए हुए हैं, जो उनके इन्स एंड आउट्स जानते हैं, वो बताते हैं। अभी एक माइक खरीदा गया जिसमें मुझे सिर्फ एक ही माइक दिया गया, तो बाद में पता चला कि इसमें तो 2 माइक दिए जाते हैं, आपको ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग में ठग लिया गया एक माइक देकर। तो इस तरह की चीज़ें कई बार हम अपने बातचीत से क्वालिटी को यूज़ करके कि ये प्रोडक्ट कितना लंबा चलेगा, किसी ने कोई एक प्रोडक्ट को 20 साल इस्तेमाल किया, 10 साल, तो वी कैन ऑलवेज से दैट दिस प्रोडक्ट इज गुड, बाय इट, यू डोंट हैव टू गो टू शॉप अगेन। तो दोनों चीजें इंपॉर्टेंट हैं प्रोडक्ट्स के लिए। यस, लास्ट वी टेकिंग द फास्ट कमेंट, लास्ट कमेंट्स।
सर एक बात चाहिए कि मार्केट में एडवर्टाइजमेंट के साथ रिव्यू का ज्यादा वो रहता है।
राइट,
लाइक सर if you have a good TV, you suggest someone else.
Yes.
And sir, he also wants that type of advertisement.
ठीक है.
So he will have surely faith that this television is good and this one is not good. Like this. Sir, this is my.
कई बार तो हमने देखा कि कोई बहुत 2 महत्वपूर्ण प्रोडक्ट्स के बीच में संघर्ष भी हुआ है, तो एडवर्टीजमेंट वॉर भी होता है और आपस में एक दूसरे के खिलाफ बहुत सारे, जैसे कोल्ड ड्रिंक के बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं या फिर हमारे सैटेलाइट टीवीज के बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं। फाइनल कमेंट विल टेक, वी आर रनिंग शॉर्ट ऑफ टाइम टुडे, सो वी हैव हैड अ लॉट ऑफ डिस्कशंस टुडे ऑन एडवर्टाइजमेंट। विल टेक अ फाइनल कमेंट फ्रॉम मनीष सर बिफोर वी रैप इट अप फॉर द।
I think sir, advertisement is good for to get the varieties of any product, to understand the quality of product, to get the all ingredients of this product. But I think that as per the belief on any product is concerned, we can believe after using. जो बात कही जाती है कि पहले इस्तेमाल करो फिर विश्वास करो, वाकई में ये सही है और हमें इसे ही फॉलो करना चाहिए। Because I think that advertisement is a kind of investment and this investment can also include to increase the rate of that product. So I think we have to be very careful, as you mentioned that when we want to buy any product, so first of all we have to discuss with any expert, then we have to buy, and it could be the right policy.
So to come to the end of the discussion, there is very, very important thing for our consumers and for our viewers. आपके लिए एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज ये है कि जब एक उदाहरण स्वरूप जब मुझे कोई इंश्योरेंस लेना होता है तो बाजार में 5, 10, 20, 25 कंपनीज हैं जिसके 10, 50 प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, यानी सभी प्रकार के इंश्योरेंस उपलब्ध है। इंश्योरेंस वाले अपना इंश्योरेंस आपको देने आते हैं, लेकिन आप वो इंश्योरेंस लें जिसकी आपको आवश्यकता है, और ये आवश्यकता आपके फैमिली की साइज पर डिपेंड करता है, आपकी एज पर डिपेंड करता है, आपकी आवश्यकताओं पर डिपेंड करता है और आपके बजट पे डिपेंड करता है। ये आप निर्धारित करेंगे। तो जब भी कोई प्रोडक्ट खरीदे तो वो सारे प्रोडक्ट्स को देखने के बाद आप ये जरूर देखें कि आपकी आवश्यकताएं किस प्रोडक्ट के लिए। फॉर एग्जांपल, यदि रेफ्रिजरेटर लेना है तो आपकी साइज ऑफ द फैमिली, किस प्रकार के फूड यूज करते हैं, ये तमाम चीजें उसमें कंसिडरेशन होती है। टेलीविजन देखना है तो कितना बड़ा रूम है, कितने बड़े टेलीविजन होने चाहिए, ऑल दीज थिंग्स डिपेंड अपॉन यू। सो रिमेंबर वन थिंग, advertisement gives you information about a product, but the test of the quality is very, very important. Once you test the quality, then you buy it. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर बीइंग विथ अस। कि अगले सप्ताह फिर किसी नए टॉपिक के साथ आपके साथ डिस्कशंस करने के लिए हम उपस्थित होंगे। तब तक के लिए हमें आज्ञा दीजिए। थैंक यू।